komrap baklem penan kam dawai kadai garu komrap bakentiu ya kajing bha jong kamaryang ya ki jing trekam jong ka pada kendauru kathan stelam mingi kari India kadai kathan babiang tam ha kari banrap banryang klem da penan kam dawai bat kani konra ya shipun ki jing mentoy kinong rap kila jumlien banrap kumbala le nadu ki por hendai bat garu komrap jongki ka peni bagi khamno sha garu kam bam ai dawai bat kani kalong ki jing bha ya kathan bro koi Lashukain ba khat pram million hectare ke jaka berap klem ai dawai kadon hakathan stay lam mingi dagane ke rukom rap par ke jingduna bha ha ke jing penan kam ya ki dawai kathan ke don ya ke jingla ban pinmi ya shibon ki marap bat klala banong kawai ne ki than ba he bha ha ke jing pinmi ya ki jingthong baklam ai dawai bat ki bakoit pakhya Usotrun udaiwe na kijat so baya yaw bha barathung ha kani kathan ulong utlong jong ka vitamin A bat vitamin C ba udon bon ru ka vitamin B bat B2 udon ru ya ka bromelain ka bayra pantiliat ya ka bam ha kisnir nalo ka bala ban bam em ya usotrun la ru ban penek slam ya ka jing bha jong u ha kitin ba la ru ban shna ya ki jat jing bam ba bon ru kam
Under organic farming, we have developed different type of technologies. The organic farming project has been started in our institute in the way back 2004. And whatever the technology we have developed and refined over the years, in 2013, we have taken one village named Minsan, that is about 20 kilometers from the ICR Research Complex for NEH region, for demonstration of our organic farming technology in the farmers field. By getting the very good result from the village Minsan, in the next 2 years we have adopted more 2 villages, that is Umden Umbathiam and Pinthor. So currently in these 3 villages we are taking organic farming project in a community or cluster approach. Generally these farmers of this village are usually growing their crops under traditional farming without using any insecticide, pesticide or inorganic fertilizer. So we have also done a memorandum of understanding with the village headmen. So in the near future they will not also use any inorganic means to make it a organic farming. So under these 3 villages we have established different types of model, integrated organic farming system mode. So here we have I want to demonstrate one model, that is pineapple based integrated organic farming system model in the sloping land. Pineapple is very important fruit crop of this part of region and especially for the Meghalaya. This fruit is very high in vitamin A, vitamin C and other hormone vitamins. Generally farmers use this pineapple just along the slope in very high slopey areas. So in this, why they are cultivating the pineapple in very high slopes, along the slopes, so generally there is too much loss of soil. When the fertile soil is also being lost, along with so much nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and loss of micronutrient also being lost due to these cultivation practices. So we have standardized a pineapple cultivation across the slope along the contours. So our main emphasis is to not only increasing the productivity of the pineapple under organic means, but also maintaining the soil fertility, reducing the soil loss, so that this model becomes sustainable for longer term.
Mình tôi nghĩ ở Sipun na cái dinh thong cái dinh tép cái bằng cái thong cái tép cái mình xóa các bé chúng cái lòng khẩu, thì mình ta bắt đây cái la ban rap ban riang cái la batai cái kum rap kum ta, thì cái la persang ban ya tray ban ya rap kum la pta na po ICR mo la batai, thì cái la ya thong cái la rap kum ta, cái dinh ai jong dinh thong kata sentimeter kila batai ngila yo ya training te ngila le kumta te ngil iba ka don ke jing seso hapo ka jing kai jong ka ne ka ASEAN te rep organic hapo sinong jingi
da ka jingya chaprang ba ka jingla ka than ban pimi so trun da ka babot ikiro kam batham mai ka jok menta ka jingmi so trun bat ka jinglong jingman jong u klanang khambha bat ka jingrap so trun ha ka than ru klanang kiyo chaprang kani ka than ka pinmi palat ya saw pho na ka shispa u so trun ha ka ri brok we bat khandai pho hadu khandai pusan na ka shispa jong ka ru kam pinmi ya u ka dei ka ba khlam panan kam dawai ki jat sotron belakang penmi bha hakathan ki dei ki belatiap kung giant Q bat queen ki sotron bami na kani kathan ki long ki bakham pher balaong ba ki dei ki wei na ki ba tam ha ka prathai namar ba ki long ki bathiang na ka jingjur ka jingdawai u sotron baklam ai dawai ha kari bat ha ka prathai barok wei bat na ka jingduna ka jingmi jong u ha ka prathai kathan stela mingi kalong ka jaka ko biang bha ban rap bon ya u sotron
tak bah.
In the harvesting time of pineapple, we are also getting some slips. So this is also a planting materials for pineapple. If generally you can use also this part of the pineapple for growing a new pineapple plant. So we are getting from the sakar. Sakar generally come from the lower side of the pineapple. This generally take very less time to giving the fruit. And second, this part is the slips below the fruit, and above the fruit part is the crown. If we use crown for planting, it generally takes more time as compared to the slips and suckers. This part of India, you know, just soil pH is very less. This is acidic. So we are recommending little bit use of lime, that is calcium carbonate, to increase the soil pH for a better crop. And here we are increase very less amount of lime, about 300 to 400 kilo per hectare. That is 30 to 40 gram per meter square. But in a meter row, you are also taking the dose is very less. After that, we have to also use little bit of rock phosphate. As in acidic soil, phosphorus is become deficient, so we have to give some little extra phosphorus. And in FYM is also having very low phosphorus. So rock phosphate is recommended for giving 300 to 400 kilo per hectare to give phosphorus as the initial boost of growth. Farmier manure or FOIM is the integral part of nutrient management under organic farming. So give a good crop. In between the pineapple, we are applying just a small furrow. We have applied the lime and little bit of rock phosphate. Now we are applying the FOIM before putting the seed of the French bean. So previously we have take one crop soybean. You have also sometimes we take a very good crop of green gram. Now French bean is the better time of in the month of September. We are taking here pole type of French bean. We are applying about 5 to 10 ton per hectare of FOIM, and after the giving of application, we will mix thoroughly and put the seed. So if we get good yield of the pineapple over the years, and if we wanted to get more than one crop, that is 2 pineapple crop per year, so little bit addition of fertilizer in the source of organic manure is very much necessary. French bean also a very important vegetable crop for this region, and there is a very good price, 30 to 40 rupees kilo of French bean pond in the market. So by growing French bean in between pineapple, the farmers can get some extra yield for their income. So here after the giving the FOIM, now we are putting the French bean seed it about 10 to 12 centimeter distance. So we have to, spacing is very much necessary for getting a very good crop. And if we will see if the germination is very good, then we have not to begin any gap filling. Otherwise, if there is any problem of germination, after germination after 10 to 12 days, we have to go for the gap filling. And this type of French bean is just bunch type, so we have not to give any staking in the form of bamboo or others. So this gives some additional income to the farmers, along with also this reducing the chances of soil erosion in case of a heavy rain, as we are sowing the French bean also across the slope along the contour. Now covering the French bean seed after incorporation in the small furrow along the contour is very much important, because if we not cover well, so there is first problem is the contact of the seed with the soil. So germination as well as the crop establishment poor, and second, there are lots of birds which are taking the seeds as their food. So for reducing the bird damage and also increases the chance of germination as well as the crop establishment, proper covering with the soil after sowing the French bean seed is very much necessary. It will germinate within 5 to 7 days. After that, if there is a need, we have to go for the gap filling followed by one weeding is necessary. This French bean crop will come about 60 to 80 days. Generally first picking is start after 50 days and 3 to 4 picking periodically we can done, and just it will be harvested within 3 months. So there is no need of also giving any artificial irrigation. We can get an extra crop, and that has a very much high market demand for the farmers, that gives some additional income along with the pineapple.
Kinong rap ha ke jela Meghalaya ki jutung me usotrun ha ki jaka belong sharing lom klam dapin biang ya ke jing ba me usotrun ha ka por brang thung ya u karukom baki jule kalong da ka papin mi ye kitan rai bathamai na kitan rai ki berim namar baki met batsla jong uso barim kiyam kum kane karukom baki thung ha ki jaka belong sharing ka julam sha ka jing sha rong no ka khendo Henry Kinong rap klala badon kam ban penwandor ya ka khendo ha ki ni ki jaka belong sharing kat kum ka jing long kata ka jaka but omde banchna penwandur hi kat bakwa kanne kala penla ignore rap bantung tam sa arpho na ka shispa ha ka shi akar ya usotrun habai yanu jor baki rukom baki jule nadu hendai ka jingyo khet ya usotrun na kanne ka rukom kala khambun habai yanu jor baki por kibralit no usoru ulanang khamhe namar baka khendo kala ban bat ik jingbam bat kala lait na ka jing sharong lala ru ban khet ya u wat he ki por bom dei shu ban khet bat kanne klai rap ban kintiu ya ka jingyo kinong rap.
When we are growing pineapple across the slope in this about 0.2 hectare, generally we are getting we have 3,000 plants. So if the fruiting has done only occurs in a year, the farmers are getting about 3,000 fruit per year. And generally the market price is 20 to 25 rupees. So they can easily get about 60 to 75,000 rupees from one season. But generally farmers are getting 2 crops per, in some plant they are may getting 1. So if I take average 1.5 fruit per one pineapple plant, so the income may be increased up to 1 lakh rupees. Besides, they are also getting some income from the growth of soybean. Maybe they are growing from the French bean and also growing from the green gram. So this is some additional income. Besides, they have also used this part after harvesting of the pineapple. This is the crown part. So they also are not wasting this product. Generally, they are also selling this crown to some other farmers or some other enterprises owners to sow for their next crop. So they are also selling by 2 to 4 or 5 rupees every crown. So this is also getting their additional income in the pineapple cultivation. Besides, they are also getting some fish, but fish they are mostly using for their home consumption. But if there is some extra fish, they can also go in the market. And they are also getting with some extra income for maybe from banana, from Khashi mandarin, from Assam lemon, and some other crops which has been integrated in the system. So these and one is the important thing is that you have not to sow the pineapple crop in every year. It is little bit a perennial. Up to 7-8 years you can get to harvest a good yield from one time of sowing. So every year investment is very much less, but income is very much good. And whatever the labor requirement for weeding and other some manure application has been done, this additional cost you can recover from the other enterprises as well as the intercrop. So this pineapple, you are just along the contour, across the slope, along with intercropping with legumes is very highly profitable and sustainable options for the farmers of this region for their livelihood.
Daga balik kumni bat daga penwandor ya kendau kat kum kajing penwandor hi kamaryang kajing sya arong ka kendau ru keladuna shibun. Kani kelapen mentoy shi kat dai e ignorant namar baga kendau kelalong lupa ke berius pa ha kajing bam om dadan kam syo ya kajing rap kidawai bat kisot run ru kilong ke babha bat bakam he.
Here 10 to 15 centimeter it will be some bricks. After that some 5 centimeter or 7 centimeter will give some means sand. After that will give means partially decompose some means biomass. That wheat biomass in this region it is available, so we are using wheat biomass only. So those who farmers don't have the wheat biomass, they can use some residues also, crop residues also. So that doesn't have any problem. So after that we'll give some cow dung for initially boost up or initially feeding of the earthworms. So here we'll keep some earthworms. After that again some cow dung, then we'll cover it. So like this we will keep for 20 to 25 days. After 25 days, so you will get some blackish or brownish color vermi wash. So this vermi wash, it is means a secretion of that mucus secretion of earthworms, and it is having also some micronutrients and some means hormones like gibberellin, cytokinin, auxin, etc. This vermi wash will use 1 liter, and 10 to 15 days old cow urine, that is that also will take 1 liter with 10 liter of water. If we will mix and we can spray to the crops, so that means the insect pest and diseases incidence will be less. In case of pineapple, some of the important diseases like Phytophthora, heart rot, and bud rot, and card rot, etc. Used to attack, and some of the insect pests like thrips, termites, mites, and some of the white grubs, so it is to attack. So now it is the time for white grub attack. So white grub, they used to be in the soil itself, then it used to take the roots of the crops. So for this, before the planting, we are using neem cake, that is 3 quintal. If farmers are affording, then we can use 5 quintal per hectare also. Some root dipping also we are using in case of pineapple suckers, like 10 to 15 gram Trichoderma viridi and 10 to 15 gram Pseudomonas fluorescens will dissolve in 1 liter of water, and will dip the suckers for 30 minutes, and we will go for sowing. In one means sucker or one dip, we are using 200 to 250 gram FIM or maybe vermicompost. So along with that, if means farmers are affording, so they can use some phosphate solubilizing bacteria, that is maybe 5 gram per plant, or some arbuscular mycorrhiza, that is also it will absorb the micronutrients like P. So 5 gram per plant we are using. And before using that cow dung, so that cow dung should be well decomposed. Otherwise, raw cow dung we cannot use to the crops, because if we use the raw cow dung, so many diseases or insect pests may attack to the roots and in the soil also, so that the farmers, they will not get the benefit.
Haki jaka balait hapdeng ki jaka bami usok trun la bantung da udai mung ubalong rong jungam bat kwe ki kinjadai kanne karukom kadon la ki jong ki jingmentoi udai kumbangi tep ulong benta bakong san ha ka jingbam kinong India namar ba ulong uberuspa ha ka jingdon ka protein bat kwe ki jingbam temet kum ka calcium iron bat ki vitamin kini kidai blathung lang ki raban pen mentoi ya ka jing sebo ka khendo ki raban pen bha shu ya ka jing sebo khendo namar ba ki pen biang ya ka nitrogen hakal air udai mung balong rong jirngam ulong bathung bha bar bakong san bha namar ba shimpor ban he bansan walau dai mung uira ban pen biang ya ka jingdon ka nitrogen hakal air don kam hi ban ai khatsan hado arpho kilo ka nitrogen haman ka shi hectare ha ka por brang sedang bet ya u lalathung lang ya udai mung bar uso trun omtang ba ka kentiu ya ka jingyo kinong rap Hendrai ka penrus paru ya ka jing sebo ka kendo bat kanang penbon shu ya ka jingmi usok trun.
When we are growing the pineapple across the slope, not only the productivity of the pineapple increased, but also the size of the individual pineapple being increased. And generally, farmers are getting better price if the size is a little bit higher as compared to the lower side. So here we have done first in 2014 we have established this pineapple farm. We have planted about 4,000 pineapple in this about 0.2 to 0.3 hectare area. We have just made small furrow linings or small pits along the contour and across the slope. And whenever we are growing this, we have generally used either crowns, sleeves or suckers for this pineapple cultivation. And if we see, we have made the small pit about 60 centimeter spacing. And we have made different lines. The spacing between two lines we have kept about 90 centimeter. So generally we give a little bit extra spacing. So number one, if we give little bit extra spacing as compared to the very high density planting, the fruit size is a little bit bigger as compared to the very high density planting. And here, in the time of sowing, generally we are using about 500 gram FOIM, that is farm manure, and we have not applied any inorganic fertilizer. Generally, when we grow the pineapple in this peat method across the slope, generally it comes to the fruit after 18 to 19 months or 20 months. Another benefit, if we grow the pineapple under this contour cultivation under staggered planting, so the pineapple are not being matured in a particular time or particular month. So there is more chances of getting off-season production. The off-season production is higher, so farmers are getting relatively better price as compared to the peak season. So if we see in this model, we have one also pond. In the lower side is there. We have different type of fruit trees like Assam lemon, Khasi mandarin, some banana. We have also made one vermicompost unit besides, one jalkund and lot of other activities. In the time of off season, if there is planting has been done, so there is a need of water to the pineapple crown or sucker after sowing. So in this condition, we can take the water from the low-lying field. And whatever the just washing of the FOM and other things, it generally directly go to the pond. So we have not to apply any feed to the fish for their growing. In between the spacing we are using very precisely. Here it is a green gum crop. This green gum is very costly in the market. It's more than 100 rupees kilo for each seed. It is a leguminous crop, so it fixes nitrogen from the atmosphere and fixes in the soil. So it not only gives some additional income as a as a pulse to the farmers, it also increases the soil fertility. Second, it's reducing the growth of the weed, because in this part of India, due to the just moderate temperature and very high rainfall, weed growth is profuse. So weeding is very much necessary. So if we grow some another crops, so weeding problem is relatively lower. We're getting one extra crop, and the same times after the cultivation of the green gum, this green gum stalk as well as this weed biomass can use as a mulch. So this mulching is also very much necessary to get a good crop of the pineapple. And this across the slope growing of green gum, and before that green gum we have grown for the soybean. So it also reducing the chances of the soil loss from the field, and it increases in the soil fertility. So in organic farming, nutrient management is very much important. We cannot apply urea or other fertilizer as a crop dressing. Whatever we have applied FOM in the time of the sowing. So to get better nutrition to the pineapple cord, to getting every year a good crop, we are recommended this pulse crop, generally green gum or soybean or maybe French bean fall type, which is the reducing in between the pineapple rows.
Usotron ulang berus pa haga vitamin ki bayara banteliat ek jingbam haga snir bat ki antioxidant bay le persha ek nang jingpang haga med. Open klein ya kabori le persha kamet ya ki jingpang. Open klein ya ki shieng ba uyara banweng ya ka jingbam ya bet ka kapo. Wat hapden ka jingtiang kabadon hau usotron uduna ki calorie. Umdon klein bat uduna ka jingdan ka sodium hau. Udon kumbah nyau pesan na ka shispa ka manganese kabalong ka bakong san na ka menta ki shieng ki baklan. Usotron uyarap ru ban pendunai ka jingpang bakta hikmat anda ki break la khamno karta namar ka jingdon ka vitamin C bat ki antioxidant hau. Kumbalong kiwe ki so bat ki jhor usotron udon ki fiber ki bayara ban penklan ki snir namar ka jingdon ka bromelain usotron uyara ban pendunai ka jinglang telli ka snam ka bajulam sha ka jingka ya ki thet snam bat ka jingpang yap chiliang. Ka bromelain ka la ru banyara ban pendunai ka enmod hau khmod bat urendang. Ki bajujur ka jingpang sinus ki la ban persyang ban bam da usotron namar ba uyara ban penkoit ya ka ni ka jingpang.